Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, as always, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you can see all our videos and our other products of the week we've got coming up. So this week's product of the week, well, is not particularly one product. It's kind of a mishy-mash thing. It's basically these things, crown caps. And if you order a beer kit from any of these ranges, so we got the Mangrove Jack's Craft Series, the St. Peter's, the Festival, we've got the Muntons Gold, we've got the American Young's IPA kits, we've got the Muntons Festival. Oh, I can't even think what I'm trying to say now. The Muntons Flagship Series. And we've got the Woodfordes series. If you buy any beer kit within those ranges, then you can put into your basket a free pack of crown caps. So add those in as well. You can choose any of the colors and then use the code POTW, which I'll put somewhere up there, and you can get the crown caps for free. So any of the beer kits within this range, add one of those into your basket or more. You can then add the same amount of packs of 40 crown caps into your basket as well. Go into the checkout, use the code POTW, and suddenly all of those crown caps will suddenly be free. So there you go. This week's product of the week. Get a free pack of crown caps with any of the beer kits within this range using the code POTW. Right, that's it from now. See you next time. Bye.